Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change the Wood apps on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and install your new Wood app, in my case Opera browser. Then click Home button and access device's settings. Now you need to choose Apps and Notifications, click on Wood apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, set up my Opera by clicking on it and simply go back. As you can see, after that, the Wood app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!